Parker, look at Mama. Oh. You are standing in your toy box, by the way. Want that? That's what I thought. Uh-oh. What's the puppy doing? You see the puppy? Can you wave? Hi! No, you're not gonna wave. Can I have high five? Give Mom a high five. Parker, give Mommy a high five. Come on. Give me a high five. High five. Really? You do it any other time. High five. Stinker. Trying to get out of there? Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Not happening.